In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 1-minute video to Instagram stories without splitting. So in your Instagram, just go to your profile and click on your story. And then from post, you just have to slide it to story and tap on the image icon. So just go ahead and select your 1-minute video onto your gallery. So it says here that introducing longer stories, videos up to 60 seconds long, will no longer be broken up into segments. And in here, tap on your story to be uploaded. And there you go, it's now already on your story without splitting your 1-minute video. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.